What is the Earth's shape? Round like a ball. What do plants breathe through?
Leaves.
Do fish live on land or water? Water. What gives plants energy?
Sunlight.
Why do trees clean air? They absorb CO2. Where do flowers grow? On plants. What helps us feel textures?
Skin.
How many legs does a spider have?
8.
Which animal roars?
Lion.
What do humans drink every day? Water. What is melting ice called? Water. What does the sun provide every day?
Light.
What do birds do?
Fly.
How many fins do fish have? Several. What does a clock tell?
Time.
What grows underground? Roots.